What's going on? I got a TCL 55-inch Roku TV and it started giving me problems. I would cut the TV on, I would have sound, but just no picture. And after 5 minutes of leaving it on, the picture would come in. Now, the picture doesn't even come in. I ordered a kit offline to fix it. So today, I'm gonna go through and fix it and maybe it can help somebody out. I'm gonna cut the lights off here to show you what I'm talking about because I still get the backlights. As long as you get the backlights, the TV can be fixed. So I turned all the lights off and I'm gonna turn my TV on. Let me turn it on. Turned it back off. There we go. As you can see, I still got the backlights, but it's not on. I still got volume. I can navigate through, but just no picture. So I'm gonna open this up and switch out some components in the inside and see how it go. Well, here's the kit right here. It only cost me around 50 bucks. You will have to pay for shipping and handling, but it's cheaper than going out buying a new TV. So let's open it up. This kit comes with everything you need to repair your TV. It comes with a power supply, T-Con board, main board with all the cables and everything. This is the one that I'm focused on right here. This is the one I want to switch out. This is why I'm not getting a picture, but I don't know what caused this to fail. So I'm going to change out the power supply as well. Now I laid the TV down. Make sure when you lay your TV down, you lay it down on the softest surface you can find. I got it laying on the bed because if you crack your screen, you might as well buy another TV because that screen is just expensive as the TV itself. I got some screws here I got to take out, here, and all the way around. Then I'm going to show you what the inside look like. But please, make sure you do not crack your screen. Now, some TVs you could take the back off while it's on the stand, but this one you can't because I have to take the legs off. By the way, when working on these TVs, it is imperative that you work on it with no power to it. Unplug it. Trust me, I know from experience. Even though your TV is unplugged, it still holds power. And these capacitors right there. Them capacitors still holds juice even when you unplug your TV or cut it off. So please, unplug your TV. Again, you will get shocked. You will hurt yourself. So work on these things with your TV unplugged at all times. Please. Here's the inside of that TV. The power supply, the T-Con board, and the main board. The kit comes with all three. Like I said, right now, I'm focused on this timing control board right here because this is my problem. This is why I'm not getting the picture. I get sound and backlights, but I'm not getting the picture because of this right here. But like I said, I don't know if this power supply over here caused this to go out. When I check my voltage, I got all my voltage and everything. I got all my voltage here through the ribbon cable, but this is not acting right. But I'm gonna go ahead and change this one and this one out. But for now, I'm gonna change this one out, and I'll probably come back and do that one just to show you guys that this is the problem and not that. The main board, I'm not worried about because that is fine. It's this right here. So right now, I'm just gonna change this out. All I'm doing is unplugging this ribbon here, this one and this one, take out these screws and put the new one in. That's all I'm doing. And to take this out right here, these flip up actually. They just flip up, slide out. Flip up, slide out. This cable here comes out like this. There's some tabs on here you gotta pull out. I think I broke mine last time I was in here, so it's gonna be a little difficult for me to pull them out, but I don't care. I'm changing all that out anyway. Yep, See, just broke that out. I don't care. The kit comes with a cable. And plus I'm changing this whole board out too. So it's fine. Let me change this out. Where's my screwdriver? I had it somewhere around here. Oh, here it is over here. Trying to do this with one hand. It's a little difficult doing it with one hand. So I'm gonna pause this video and I'm gonna switch it out. There, so I took out the old one. There it is there. There's the new one. Try not to switch these up, because you don't want to do all that work and find out that you can put the old one back in. So keep them separated. Actually take it and throw it out the way. Okay? Let's get this one installed. There it is installed. The new timing control board. T-Con port for short. Now, when you install this, make sure you be very careful with these buffers down here. If you break one of these, your TV is toast. You might as well buy a new TV, because that connects directly into your panel. And there's no switching that out. You have to change out the whole panel. So I'm going to flip it over, turn it on, and see how it go. Like I said, I'm going to change this power supply in a second here, but I'm just focused on this. So I'm just going to turn it over, turn it on, and see how it goes. And if everything goes well, I'm going to switch that out. I'm not going to show that in this video, but I'm just going to show you. By switching this out, your TV will be fine afterwards. Put the back of the TV on, flipped it over, and I'm going to turn it on and see what happens. And there we go. I got my picture back. Like I said, I'm going to switch out the power supply. I'm just not going to do this on video. Make sure that you get the model number off your service tag. It's on the back of the TV. And you can go to shopjimmy.com and get a whole kit to repair your TV. All right, let me get this set back up and enjoy me some TV.
With the use of time-lapse photography, you can really see how our planet is moving all the time. It's especially obvious on a clear night as the stars in the sky pass.